32 fucking games. Come on. Ooh. Hit it! 32 games, $10 bet. Come on. One diamond. One fucking diamond. Oh my god. It's $400 just sitting right there. Oh my god, we got it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit, boys. Alright. Probably gonna be a hand pay, depending on how it goes. Anybody want to pick for me? Anybody? We'll do 3 by 5. So hit 1, whatever row, 1 through 3, and then 1 through 5. Somebody want to pick it? If not, I'll just pick them. I don't give a fuck. It's 32 fucking free games, so. Let's go 3-3. I don't need any more games. I don't need any more games. What the fuck? Nah. Missed a good one by. Oh, I should have went top 1-2. Oh, 2-4. I don't even know what 2-4 was. We got 36 games, so might get a hand pay. If we can get the fucking diamonds. Probably not, the way it looks. Come on, baby. I mean, that last row is good at least. It's the only thing I can see. Where's the diamonds at? Holy moly. Have you seen a diamond? I've never seen one yet. What the fuck? 36.